Menteri Ketenat Arts and Culture ubak Sanbor Shulai minta kesni uloong ba menjur ban ajaka hadu sanpau akari kishipai CRP han New Shillong Township. Habakren ikilat pathai kubor ubak Shulai uloong kumnukeng en ajaka ki CRP hadu kata-kata haba ki babun ki office jong Ketenat prepare kidang shongwai hakijaka jong ki riushi met.
Tak kasi kalong ba ngalong concern ba kumu minister but on behalf of MDA government ngalai discuss ru badu chief minister badu ba deputy chief minister ru ia kena ka issue ba hapan khot no deploy number ba ki babun ki nong mikmat ki dorbar sulung ni ki sang bahalang namular ke lali ya kendu kumba lar I report mentan ki lali kendu chief minister ini ki sedang di beladam requesting ban reallocate ban weng no ya ki CRP nang tai te hoi ban suang jendat weng it's not a matter of joke te kasulong bahana gamdon ka justification ba ngahi ngalaong ba mde ban I disagree on the ground that what the various department jong ka state government do kibabun ki office kita still they are running their office on rental basis kibarang buon ki department kiba penya ki office jong ki aki building jong private ki try ying on rental basis kibomut ki siu do baywai manupunai man penya
Hakabaya day bat kani ubak Shulai ulai tu bakatanat prison ru kadon gajing temu bandra no ya kajil na Shillong New Shillong.
Jaka bun ki department do kam jaka ban sina ki office la jong bagi quarter jong ki staff. Te ki babun ki department hang tu plai ki panjaga dalu ki bala alot. Te for example kumu minister bobat ya ka prison ke jail. Ya kaneru kana ya song meeting manakan kita yo bladem. Te kabut ka bangala ya kan baru minister ru tekebut lamundi ngan yakan berbucu minister namentaka dan lu ke proposal hakaba ngiru ilapan nakali ka Department of Prisons kelapan jaka napo kemuda ban set up yaka central jail kenang bingilapan shift no yaka tega jail kabang hapo jail road kabalong so congested teka dirap sibun ba yaka tega jaka kipat ba gila ban utilize hakaba ke government kalaban plan lek seven lek di parking siapo fast floor kantan ke ngilai ekran lada ngilayo jaka ngilapan kasak stang begini ale chasai barngin final chasai adi jo katuki correspondence boro giladan lot ka file jo ka prison department te sisin mengilayo jaka la sunai central jail mur jail pa ro kala listai kala harap kata kawai